How to log into Plesk. To log into Plesk, first navigate to the Plesk login URL you were provided with. Then enter your username and password. If you'd like to change the interface language, you can do so here, provided there are additional languages available. When ready, click Login. That's it. You're now logged into your Plesk account and can manage all the various aspects of your account. When finished using Plesk, be sure to log out to prevent unauthorized users from gaining access. To log out, hover over your username, then click Log Out. That's it. You now know how to log in and out of Plesk.